Ever since I seen this car, it had tape there. You know? So, what's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's feeling blessed. So, in this episode, we finally give my sister-in-law her car back. So for those of you who are just tuning in, first of all, thank you for tuning in. If you don't know what's going on, I took my sister-in-law's 2013 Honda Accord without, well, she knew I took the car. She thought I took it to just take a look at it, but I took it and I gave it a complete overhaul. I took it to a mechanic. We changed all 4 tires. We gave the car a full tune-up. We changed a valve cover gasket. We gave it a full interior detail. And in this episode, we're gonna give her car back. But before we give her car back, we're gonna take it to get compound. We're gonna do a compound, polish, and wax. So it's 3 stages. We're gonna make this car look brand spanking new before we give it to her. So in this episode, we're gonna do that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you when we get detailed. So what's up, guys? How you guys doing? So just gave you guys a quick walk around because I just got called for the detailer. So I'm gonna take the car to get compound and polished. Now they're gonna take care of the outside, and we're gonna make this car look way better outside. So we're gonna go do that now. Just did a quick walk around to let you guys see what a before looks like of the car, and then I'll give you guys a after. So let's go get this car to the detailer because I'm late, because I'm yapping my mouth and I was wasting some time with my wife. So we'll check in a bit. So the car is done, looking fresh. I want to show you guys the final product. You guys did a great job. Prestige Mobile Spa. And I will leave the link to their Instagram and whatever information I can get from them down below. If you guys want to check them out. Located in Queens. I think they do Long Island. Might do the 5 boroughs. But I'll leave all their info in the bottom and you guys can reach out to them. So now let me just show you what it looks like. What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Today, I don't have black coffee. Today, I actually got some sugar and some milk. So today, we're gonna do the review of this car right here. We're gonna give it to the owner today. And yeah, we're gonna see her live reaction. The car is fully done. I gave it one more wash today, so it could be extra clean. But yeah, we're gonna go, before we do the review, we're gonna go to church. So if you guys are ever in the New York City area looking for a church, a good church to visit, or maybe a church to make your own home, Spirit of Brotherhood Church. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. English, and if you speak Spanish, we have the 10 a.m. services for you Spanish-speaking folks. But yeah, come join for worship, godly word, and you know, all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to come ever in the area, feel free or feel welcome to come through. But yeah, today's the reveal after church. See you guys later. So today is the day where we're gonna review the car to the owner. And like I said before, hopefully she's happy with everything we did. We cleaned it up, made it spiffy. The car doesn't need anything else but the owner and the driver's seat. But also, that's my church. I love my church, Spirit of Brotherhood Church. The place where I come every Sunday, Friday, and whatever day they have something. But God's will. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Whoo! Nervous. And then Alice said she was feeling a little, she looked like she was a little down today, so hopefully. Is she coming? Did she see me? Yeah, your car's done.
Stop.
Yes.
Done with what?
The car was compound, polished. You got 4 brand new tires.
Sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
Wait.
It was detailed inside. Changed the airbag, changed the whole dashboard. We changed the oil leak in the front, spark plugs. You had a motor mount that was loose, an axle that was loose. So you know the His Vision channel? You were the first candidate.
You know,
Just so you know, car is like 120% done. Like you don't need nothing. And you don't have to pay for nothing, it's free. Got mats, carpets. Cause that's the purpose of His Vision. So everything that was in the car that I didn't know you didn't want, I put in the trunk. But it was compound. Oh, I changed the hood. You have the right hood on your car now? Because you had the wrong hood before. So yeah, the car's good to go. Like, look at the dashboard, no more hole. I didn't even know that hole was there when I moved the thing after I bought the stuff. And I'm like, oh snap, damn hole in the dash. But yeah, car's clean. Look at it, look at it. 4 brand new tires, not used, brand new. Goodyear, not cheap. And they hooked me up, so. Yeah, the car's good to go. And you didn't have carpets. I don't know if you lost them, but you got 4 brand new carpets. So yeah.
I don't know what to say.
Oh, you don't gotta say nothing. Just say thank you. That's it. God is good. God loves you. He cares about you. He wants nothing but the best for you. And how do you say, you are a good mom, okay? What you do is not, how do you say, like overlooked. God is not overlooking what you are going through, whatever it is, I don't know, but you deserve it. You're a hard-working mom, and I've been hearing a lot of problems with this car, and I was like, you know what? Let me take this car and fix it. We had it at a mechanic shop, and mechanically it's good, but now it's good. And I know Gabby tagged it up. All right, I hope you enjoy. I was hoping to lighten up your day or make you feel better. And that's one less worry that you have. So you can park it and ready for you whenever you're ready to go. But it's me and Ale too. Like it's not, you know, Ale gave me the okay. I was like, hey, and then we did it together.
I didn't have to do this.
I know, don't worry. You were the first, like the idea of the channel, and you were like somebody who came to mind. I have a, you know, you were one of the people, somebody next, but you were one of them. So that's the whole purpose of the channel, to help, to give back, and for people who deserve it, you know, not like, you know, but people who deserve it. And I think you deserve it. Now we got nothing to say. The carpets were shampooed, the seats were shampooed. You know, no more big hole. Look, no more tape. You know what I'm saying? You got a bag and no more tape. Ever since I seen this car, it had tape there. You know? So, and it smelled delicious when I got it, but now it smells more delicious.
This car was like going through it.
I know. Don't worry.
I'm a reflection of
Yo,
my car.
don't worry about it. Well, now it's good. I took the seats out. The seats came out.
Bro, why you think
Everything to help you out, you know, and make you, you know, when you get in your car, you feel good, you feel safe. Wow.
I'm trying to get rid of it, so I didn't have to deal with it at all. Like I just wanted to get rid of it. It was stressing me out.
Yeah.
Like literally, I was thinking about like how am I gonna handle this car.
Oh.
Like Like with the repairs?
Like I didn't want to deal with the car because I literally, like, when Ale took it, I'm like, whatever. Right now, I'm gonna just forget about
live life
it
without it,
and deal with myself until I get myself together. So literally, this weight has been on my back.
Wow.
So,
there's nothing left.
and it can pass inspection. No.
I hope so. I hope so. It should be able to.
Oh my God. I literally kept like asking God, like, I don't know what to do with this car.
Oh, wow.
Like, literally, like, I was like, I don't know what to do. And I'm speechless.
Oh, wow. See? I'm telling you, God knows. He knows your heart. He listens. Just know that. God's always listening no matter what. Because I had no idea.
No, like, literally, I couldn't, like, sleep thinking about, like, the weight of, like, the car, everything else I have to deal with.
Oh, no. Wow.
So.
I didn't know that. Wow. Interesting. Oh.
Like, you didn't have to do this.
Oh, no.
I kind of thought Ale was up to something when she snatched the keys for me. Like,
Yeah.
she snatched it from me. Like, I had no say. But I didn't expect all of this.
Oh, no. Wow.
I expected it, like, yo, sis, you need to, like,
Take that back.
Burn it.
like, I'm speechless because.
Well, it's God. It was all God. Because honestly, when I took the car, my list that I made when I just drove it home was a long list. And when I took it to the mechanic, there really wasn't much with the car. It just made a lot of noises. But when he was like, oh no, they checked all the tires. Oh, the tires are bad. And then like one of the axles was leaking a little bit of fluid and you had a motor mount, and like it was nothing. The tires, changing the tires, the car ran way better. And then I just went, oh, even look, no more, it works. Remember how it was flappy? Yo, that drove me nuts. I hit that thing so many times. I changed both of them. Look, they look nice. I changed both of the flaps. I try to make it as less headaches, like nothing to look at that is gonna cause any kind of annoyance. So I hope that it helped. My goal was that you liked, but yeah, everything that annoyed me, I try to fix it. Because I know that it might have annoyed you. And then it got clayed, compound, and polished. So if you touch it, it's like smooth, it's not like sandpaper. But the hood was different. It was from a 2013 to 2015, yeah. So that hood came from California. Same color as the car. So I hope you enjoy. I hope it helps, and then you get some sleep. Now you're gonna worry about nothing. The car's done. There's nothing. Yeah, the car's good to go. Even the oil leak that they said they had gone. You know. Look, Gabby, the car looks brand new. I cleaned all the chocolate stains you left in the back.
Oh, your little musty hands.
Yeah, so hope you enjoy it. And like I said, I left everything that I didn't know was important in the trunk.
Got you, boo.
Got you. See? Got you.
I don't know what to say. Like, I still feel the weight of the car on me.
Oh, no.
I do.
You want us to take it to Florida with us? Put it in the back of the van.
Can I try?
Yeah. Yeah.
At this point, you might have to. I'll get you a license.
Like, I don't do this for repayment. I don't do this to look cool. I do it literally because God placed in my heart. I do what he says, and that's it. But in the repayment of this, all I say is look for God more, because he is listening. Because I didn't know that you were struggling with the car, losing sleep with it. I didn't know none of that. And look at you telling me this, that you were struggling with the car.
Like, that was, I didn't even want to come to church with it.
Yeah. So, so I didn't know that. And look at.
And my mom's been asking me to take her to church. And I've been with that weight, like I can't even take my mom anywhere right now.
Yeah.
So.
Well, when you're ready to drive, you're ready to go. Thank God.
I feel like I'm not looking at my car. I'm looking at this. Yo, no more tape on that. Yo, I don't gotta struggle in the passenger seat no more.
Yo, look, you could put your seatbelt on. Both of them recline.
Nice seat.
They're back.
Oh my God.
They've never pulled since you got the car. There you go. Hope you enjoy.
I'm ready to go. Get out. Get in the back.
There you go, Gavin. So we're done. This car is officially out of my hands. As you can see, she is happy, and I'm glad. I'm glad that we were able to help and in a time of need. And that's the whole goal of this channel, is to help others and just be the hands and feet of God and just helping others. You guys can help this channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel so the word can get out. So thank you. You guys are a great blessing. We do have the next person we do want to help, and if you guys stay tuned, you'll see, because it could be you. You never know. But stay tuned to the channel, and thank you for everything.